This Japanese-style tiny home redefines small space living with a series of creative cabinet innovation and flexible design solutions that blend function, elegance, and spatial intelligence. Every element of the layout is crafted with intent, transforming the limited footprint into a highly adaptable and livable environment. One of the most striking features is the use of rotating cabinet panels that serve as camouflaged doors, solid, beautifully finished on both sides, and ingeniously designed to function as storage and space dividers. This dual-side shelves rotate smoothly on a central axis, offering both open and closed storage while separating the bedroom from the semi-communal area without the need for fixed wall. The result is a flexible layout that maintains privacy while allowing light and air to flow naturally throughout the home. To access loft bed or elevated zones, the home features sliding stairs that tuck neatly away when not in use. These space-saving steps preserve floor area for the other function, only appearing when needed, adding to the home's sleek, unobstructive charm. And similarly, a set of iron stairs mounted on sliding rails glides horizontally across the room, offering customizable access based on circulation needs, an ideal solution for navigating narrow interior dimension. The sleeping areas are equally versatile. Several folding beds are seamlessly integrated into wall cabinets, allowing the home to transform based on the time of day or activity. When not in use, the beds fold flat into the cabinetry, freeing up to the floor for movement, gatherings, or quiet reflection. By day, the space functions as a communal living area. By night, it becomes a peaceful, well-organized sleeping zone. Every design element in this tiny home reflects the core of Japanese spatial philosophy, multifunctionality, minimalism, and mindfulness. From rotating shelf walls to disappearing stairs and hidden beds, this home exemplifies how smart design and cultural sensibility can turn even the most compact space into a comfortable, harmonious living experience.